Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix search issues after iOS 18 update. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to look at the volume up and volume down button on your iPhone, also the side button. So after locating them, you just have to press quickly the volume up and volume down button, and then just hold the side button like this. Do it quickly until the screen is completely black, and then just slide to power off and then restart your iPhone. This might solve your problem because sometimes it happens because the iPhone's network is stuck, or that's why iPhone search engines like search options and etc doesn't work. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.